Hi there, my fellow YouTubers and my fellow Twitter followers. I am the type of person who loves mystery. I like all things paranormal. I'm into UFOs, the unexplained phenomena out there. I just recently saw this video, and I'm going to put the description or the link in the description box below. All throughout the world, there are strange noises coming from the sky. It sounds like, from when I saw the video to this, it appears to be trumpets, okay, or like trumpet noises coming from the skies. And as I'm watching these videos, the reaction of the individuals who are filming this at the time, they are befuddled or bewildered or whatever you want to call it as to what it is. What is it? That is the question. It intrigues me. It intrigues me greatly. I like to know, what are these sounds? It's you know, there's a, at first I was kind of chuckling because it kind of sounded like Godzilla in a way. In one of the videos, I'm like thinking, oh my gosh, it's Godzilla. There's great debate on what these sounds are. Are they in fact trumpets from the heavens, if you will? Or do they have a logical explanation? You know what? Sometimes the most logical explanation isn't the explanation. You know, sometimes it might be actually something extraordinary or supernatural going on that we can't even fathom. A lot of people don't even want to go down that road because they are comfortable with their life, with their lives and all that, and they'd rather not know. I, on the other hand, I would love to know what this sound, what this noise is. As I stated earlier, I'll leave the link below for you to see for yourself. What do you think it is? You tell me. Leave your comments below and let me know what you think. Until next time, peace and have a good one.